All right, folks, let's name these notes on key signatures. So as I showed you inside of the assignment, what these two sharps mean, it means that F sharp and C sharp are sharp. This note is a what? It's an F, so that means that F is going to be sharp. Same key signature, this is a what letter name? E. So it doesn't have a sharp applied to it. No sharps and flats, so just name it as normal. This is a B with no sharps and flats. Another one. Two sharps, again, lucky us, F sharp and C sharp. This is a G, so nothing changes. Same thing here. This is an E, nothing changes, it's a regular E. One flat here, one B flat. This is an E, so nothing changes. This is a G, B flat, nothing changes. F. This is a G, nothing changes. So really what we're doing is we're memorizing which notes are affected by the key signature and applying them every time. So B flat and E flat, this is A, D. One sharp, F sharp, right? This is a F, so it's an F sharp. It is changed. E, unchanged. Ah, this one's on the line, so this is definitely changed. It's a B flat. A. F sharp on a C? No. Regular C. B flat, E flat? This is a B flat. It was changed. F sharp, C sharp? So this is a C sharp. It's been changed. A. F, nothing's changed. D, F sharp and C sharp, nothing's changed. Up, F sharp again. Ah, high F sharp, also changed. Regular F. G, unchanged. F, unchanged. F, unchanged. E, unchanged. B flat and E flat, this is an F, unchanged. All right, there you go. Take your screenshot and turn it in. Bass clef's coming next. All right, let's name some bass clef notes. Start challenge. So what we're doing here is we're trying to figure out what's changed. We're going to memorize these flats and sharps that happen and just apply it. So this is one flat, like you see in the Canvas assignment. Shows you what flat it is in case you have trouble with that. This is a B flat, and this is an E, unchanged. If it was on this line, it would be a B flat, but instead it's not. These two sharps indicate F sharp and C sharp. This is a G, so it's unchanged. This is a D, F sharp and C sharp remain the same, so it's still a D. G, unchanged. C sharp, because this C sharp applies to this C as well, and any other C you might see. B flat and E flat, this is on the B line, and this is a B flat, so this is changed. C, F sharp is the only sharp though, so unchanged. B, not affected by F sharp. B flat, this is a G, unchanged. D, unchanged by the B flat. Ah, this is an E flat because it's affected by this second flat. So changed. E, but not changed this time, regular. F sharp and C sharp. B though, it's unchanged. A, no sharps and flats over here, so it's unchanged. F, sorry, A, not changed. D, unchanged by the F sharp and C sharp. A, unchanged by this B flat. D, unchanged by the F sharp. B flat, this is the G though, unchanged. Ah, this is on the line, B flat, B flat. So it is changed, B flat. E, unchanged by the B flat. B flat and E flat. This is a A though, unchanged. This is a C, unchanged by that F sharp. This is special. This is B flat and E flat, and this is also an E, so E flat. It is changed. F sharp and C sharp. This is a C sharp because it's with the C sharp. E, unchanged by F sharp or C sharp. B flat, but does not change a G. It's just regular. This is a G again, B flat and E flat, do not change that G. E is unchanged by this F sharp and C sharp. It's a regular E. B flat and E flat, here's the B flat. It is changed. All right, and there's your bass clef. Take your screenshot, send it in to me.